Well, hi there. What are we going to talk about today? Let's just clip to the next thing. All right, clip right here. Well, it was 90 degrees. It's a cool 68 now. Or 70, I don't know. Doesn't happen often, but it is raining a lot. Just got back from the Sugarhorn and I'm on my way to NGL and I see flashing lights. And these flashing lights, I get closer and then I see there's a truck on the side of the road flipped over on its side. I drove past slowly and there's cops there and everything, and it's such a bad wreck that it was decoupled from the trailer. Bad day, man. Just reminds me how much I want to hit financial escape velocity and get the heck out of this job. I love the job, but man, stuff like that, one bad mistake, like one time not paying attention, and you think you're safe in one of these? Think again. Especially a day cab. Those things are not built to roll over. Day cabs are probably 15,000 pounds. So we lost one guy last year. Killed. He was 61, and just don't want to see that ever again. So it's been a highly productive day today. I don't usually work this hard, but today I got that many. Wow. That's like 9. Nope, it's 8. I don't know if I've ever completely filled it up, but I probably got close one day. I don't, if you fill it up, you have to start writing on a separate note envelope or on the back. That's just too complicated for my simple brain. So I just try to underperform, you know. So far it's worked out for me. Anyway, I am going in a little bit early today. I wanted to work overtime, but when you get 8 loads, even if they're short runs, just 8 is too much for me to handle. I gotta go home now, you know what I'm saying? So that's where I'm at. I gotta get all this stuff cleaned up when I get to the yard. So, hey, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, like the video, share it, and the world will be a better place. I promise you. In the meantime, I gotta get back to work. Lots of stuff to do. I'm gonna pretend like I'm going to work right now, even though I'm on standby. So, see you later.